I suppose I should explain the process here. This is, of course, only the second shape that I've ever made using this particular technique with this particular material. So I'm certainly not going to claim to be an expert at it, but basically it's just a matter of choosing a couple of contours that are orthogonal to each other at 90 degrees. So I've got the silhouette shape, and then to some extent a frontal silhouette. And so I've got, front and side, but most of it was done using sections, rib sections going down. And there was a supplemental slightly angled shape that I used for the pelvis and thigh demarcation, and that was also useful. But anyway, once I got all those in, then it was a matter of skinning this thing, or putting a shell of it, the same material, as you can see. And that was just a process of establishing the center line front and back. And you can see that that's a hard designation. It's not penciled in. It's in there as a cut. There was a 2-inch piece that I slit down the middle, so it's 1 inch to either side, and the same on the front. And starting with the pelvis going on up, that locked the torso side silhouette piece and all of those related rib cage elements onto the hips and legs. And so basically, once I got to that point, I had no choice but to continue. And then it's just a matter of building outward from those centers and do it as symmetrically as possible. I got the lower half mostly done, largely because it's just a general principle of biology and sculpture. The hips are the keystone of the body. And once you have that done, everything else basically is built around that. It's true in drawing, true in animation, true in computer graphics, true in sculpture, and it's all true in that because it's true of life. But once you've got the center lines done, the simple stuff's over. Then it's just a matter of just squeezing a piece in and penciling in where you got to cut it, and cutting it and hoping to God it works, and hot gluing it on. And so far it's coming along pretty damn well. Alright.